Hello guys, in this video we will be discussing the basic points that things need to be noted and downloaded while shipping plan. So before going live and we make different shipping plans and discuss the scenarios, so it's really important to know that while shipping plan you will have to download the SKU labels, right? But this SKU label you can download anytime from your Search Central without any shipping plan as well. But anyway, Amazon gives you option while you create the shipping plan to download the SKU labels as well. So you will download these SKU labels and ship to address. Okay, while you make shipping plan, Amazon let you know that where you will send the inventory, right? You should know, like when you are dealing with your supplier, you will be telling the supplier that where you have to ship your products, right? The products you are purchasing from the supplier, where they are going to be shipped, right? Amazon has a lot of warehouses in USA and UK, so Amazon will let you know while you make shipping plan that where you have to send your inventory, right? So you will note that shipping address, right, and you will give that shipping address to supplier if you are making a deal with the supplier on DDP, delivery duty pay. So supplier should know that where he has to ship your goods in Amazon warehouse. And second, if you are dealing with FF, so you will provide that ship to address, that Amazon warehouse address to the FF, right? So he will ship your goods there to Amazon warehouse. And in case like in wholesale, we mostly choose partner carrier, right? UPS. We'll be discussing all of these things in the coming lectures, that if our products are in UK or USA already there, so we choose Amazon partner carrier, and that partner carrier UPS pick up our goods from the location where our goods are located, and they take it to the Amazon warehouse. So in that case we do not need to note the shipping address, okay, because it's already that courier of UPS is already connected with Amazon. So once they pick up your goods, they already know that where they have to ship your goods, right? So in case you choose partner carrier, and we choose partner carrier mostly in wholesale business model. In PL business model we mostly choose non-Amazon partner carrier, because our goods are being shipped by the supplier or by the FF, right? And you will provide this address to supplier or FF. And the third thing is FBA labels. You will need to download these FBA labels for like compulsory. You should be downloading these FBA labels, okay, and pasting those on the boxes. And in case if you are selecting LTL, less than truckload, okay, there are two options while you create shipping plan. One is SPD and the second one is LTL. So if you are choosing LTL, so in that case you will be additionally needing the pallet labels as well to paste on the pallets, right? But if you choose just SPD, small parcel delivery, so you will be just needing these FBA labels.